guys, today I will show you how to change the language on your Google Chrome. So let's open your Chrome. Here it is. Let's make it full. Just click on got it, then make it full like this. So first, all you have to do is click here. This is on the right top corner of your screen. I don't know if it has the same function with the MacBook, but this is how it looks. Now you will see here your manage your Google account. I want you to click on that and then you will be here. So as you can see, there's still an option for me to choose if it is Filipino or English. So I will leave it Filipino first so we can see the result as soon as possible. So I'll just click here, put that one on X, then click on personal information. After that, you will just have to scroll down and then you will see here the word wika. It means language. Now you can see it is on a Filipino. Now you just have to click it here, the arrow button. Then you will have to change this gustong wika into English. So here we have a choice. You can just type in English or you can just scroll down. So it says here that um, choose an option. So click on Philippines, then click save. In a few minutes, you will see that your language is in English. So let's try to open another tab if it is working. Yeah, it says got it. So try to search. Now you will see all the information here is in English. Example, how to cook. Yeah, everything here is in English now. So that's it. I want you to change your Google Chrome into English language. I hope this video will help you with that.